Africa's economy under pressure as global crisis deepens. Energy crisis shockwaves hit African economies. Uganda's economy surges with major growth boost. Nigeria pushes to become Africa's economic powerhouse. Fuel price shock, Nigerians struggle despite Dangote Refinery. Foreign cash surge, investors pour billions into Nigeria. Africa's economy under pressure as global crisis deepens. Africa's economy is facing serious pressure as global tensions continue to rise, especially due to ongoing conflicts affecting global markets. Experts warn that the continent's growth could slow down significantly if the situation worsens. One of the biggest concerns right now is the rising cost of essential goods. Fuel prices are climbing rapidly, and this is having a direct impact on transportation, food prices, and overall cost of living across many African countries. In addition, fertilizer prices are also increasing, which could affect agricultural production and lead to food shortages in some regions. Energy crisis shockwaves hit African economies. A growing energy crisis is sending shockwaves across Africa, affecting businesses, transportation, and daily life. Several countries are already feeling the impact as fuel shortages and rising energy costs begin to bite. In some regions, long queues at fuel stations are becoming more common, while businesses are struggling to cope with increased operating costs. For many small businesses, this could mean reduced profits or even closure. Governments are now considering emergency measures, including fuel subsidies and energy rationing, to manage the situation. Uganda's economy surges with major growth boost. Uganda is making headlines with impressive economic growth, positioning itself as one of Africa's fastest-growing economies right now. Recent reports show that the country's economy expanded by a remarkable 8.5%. This growth is being driven largely by major infrastructure and oil projects, especially the East African crude oil pipeline. The project is expected to transform Uganda into a key oil exporter in the coming years. Investments in construction, energy, and transportation are also playing a big role in boosting the economy. These developments are creating jobs and improving business opportunities across the country. Nigeria pushes to become Africa's economic powerhouse. Nigeria is stepping up its game on the global stage, with bold moves aimed at becoming Africa's leading economic powerhouse. The country is strengthening international partnerships and boosting trade opportunities. One of the biggest developments is a major deal with the United Kingdom focused on upgrading Nigeria's port infrastructure. This is expected to improve trade efficiency and attract more foreign investment. Trade between Nigeria and the UK has already reached billions of pounds, showing strong economic ties between the two nations. Fuel price shock, Nigerians struggle despite Dangote Refinery. Nigeria is currently facing a major economic shock as fuel prices hit record highs, leaving millions of citizens struggling to cope. This is happening despite the much-anticipated launch of the Dangote Refinery, which many believed would bring relief. Instead, petrol prices have surged dramatically, driven by global oil market disruptions and rising import costs. For everyday Nigerians, this means higher transport fares, increased food prices, and a rising cost of living that is becoming harder to manage. Small businesses are among the hardest hit. From transport operators to food vendors, many are now spending more just to keep their businesses running. Some are even being forced to shut down due to the rising costs. Foreign cash surge, investors pour billions into Nigeria. Nigeria is seeing a massive surge in foreign investment, with billions of dollars flowing into the country's financial system. This marks a major shift in investor confidence and is being seen as a positive sign for the economy. Recent data shows that capital inflows have jumped significantly, with foreign investors targeting high-yield opportunities in government bonds and treasury bills. These investments are being driven by attractive interest rates and ongoing economic reforms. A large portion of this money is coming from international partners, especially from Europe, signaling renewed global interest in Nigeria's market.